Hello, this is a video on how to access your certificate in a Maine Roads to Quality on-demand training. This video is about the annual renewal of the Child Care Development Fund Health and Safety Training. You will also hear this called the CCDF Health and Safety Training. This is part 4 in a series of 4 videos about this training. When you finish all of the quizzes in the training, you earn a certificate. The certificate is a document that shows that you have completed the training. The navigation bar is on the left side of the screen and it helps you go through the training and access content. To get your certificate, scroll down to the bottom of the navigation bar. You will see the words Annual Renewal. Select these words. You then select View Certificate. You have 2 options in the top right corner. You can click the downward arrow to download the certificate to your computer, or you can click on the printer to print your certificate. It's a good idea to keep the certificates of any trainings you complete. If you want to learn more about how to complete the training, you can watch the other 3 videos in this series. The videos are about how to complete a quiz, how to take a lesson, and how to use the website. If you have any questions, please contact mrtq.training@maine.edu.